Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Brandon, and in last week's video I said this. I'll put a shameless plug right up here for you guys. And I found some welding electrodes that are so thin they almost look like sparklers. So let's keep going. So that prompted me to make a fun video. What would happen if we welded with sparklers? Well, today we're going to find out. And in keeping it consistent with what we learned last week, we're going to go electrode negative. And to keep the test consistent, we want to be at 20 amps. Alright, we've got our test pieces here. Now the great thing with these guys is that, let's say it's the weekend and you run out of electrodes and your welding supply store isn't open. Well, these are going to fix all of that because pretty much any convenience store will carry these. So that'll be really great. And they're affordable. I paid $2 for all of these sparkler electrodes. We want to keep things consistent. So I've got a 6011 rod here, and I've got some calipers. 62 thousandths rod diameter. Oh yeah, just little ones, little short rods, considerably less. So we're at 41 thousandths. She's gonna burn a little bit hot, fellas. Give this jewelper a try. 20 amps. Watch your eyes. Oh yeah, DC negative's the way to go, fellas. Oh, my rod burnt off. Alright guys, there was a little debate in that last video whether or not whip and pause was necessary. This may be a whip and pause rod. Let's give her another go with whip and pause. You're going to want good ventilation too. This seems to be a real smoky rod. She's a little hard to start.
This is also a stinky rod. The coating on this is made from burnt Vaseline and unicorn farts.
There. Well, that's one problem you got right there. Once you start welding, you can't stop. This makes work so much funner, guys. Hey fellas, here we go. Whip and pause. We're going to do a whip and pause on this one. A little hard to get started. Whoa. My tack broke. Whoa, my whole rod broke off that time. This seems to be failing quickly. She was running real good until she broke off. Let's see what 110 amps does for us. It should help considerably. Whoa. That one took off way too quick. I wasn't ready. We might have it this time, guys. Whoa! Let me bring you in, we'll see how we did. Here are the results. 42 thousandth sparkler rods on sheet metal. Not too bad. Just kidding. That. So I rate that a fail, but fun. Did it even hold? Oh, it did. It did hold. So the tack over here didn't, but yeah. So yeah. So that's all there is to it, guys. Just a little fun video, something to fill in. I mentioned it in the last video, and it's kind of something I wanted to do at the time, but that video was kind of getting too long. So no, you cannot weld with sparklers, if that answers anyone's questions, and we probably didn't think we could anyways, but it was a lot of fun. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. This isn't my regular content, but if you are a subscriber or you're coming back, just something fun, something a little different. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. See ya. Oh, and don't forget, you can find me on Facebook and on Instagram at Brandon Lund or Brandon Lund DIY Builds. Thanks, guys. See ya. Have a good day.